So Linda, with space being such a premium now, I think having things that are customized is key. And I love what you've done in this customized pantry. I'm hoping you can break down some of the elements for us.
Yes, we have pull-out baskets where you can put your produce or large items.
Fantastic.
And adjustable shelves. So if your products change, you can actually move them up or down to suit your...
That's so nice to actually have it fit for what you're putting in there is so key. And what about, I'm really curious, these slanted shelves?
So these slanted shelves are great, again, so you can see what's in your pantry and you can see that you're running low and what you need to replace. And not having to read the labels.
And then here we've got actually you can see in there, I can see the chips.
Yes. I know, it's perfect again, so that you can see and you're not having to open the drawers every time to see what's inside.
Perfect. And what about the corner shelving? Is there a reason for that?
Yes, it works out really well. With the corner shelving, it can be any depth and any length. And so what's nice is to be able to see your products all the time, so you don't, it's not hidden behind a panel.
Right. I think one of my favorite features is this down here. Can you tell me a little more about that?
Yes, our divided shelf there. It's also good for putting your platters that you use once or twice a year, right? Somewhere to store it out of the way instead of taking up so much space in your cupboard.
That's terrific. And of course that these shelves move. Love that.
Yeah, it makes it really easy as well to be able to access your large appliances. You can reach from the side and grab it instead of digging through the back of your cupboards.
That's fantastic. And then the wall here, let's talk about the wall.
Yeah, so with the slat wall, and all of this comes in all different colors, but there's all different kinds of options you can have, from the paper towel holder to hooks to be able to hang different things. It's amazing. There's so many different options that you can get. It's the accessories, there's just a list too numerous to mention.
That's fantastic. I'm inspired to get organized. Thanks, Linda.
Oh, good, thank you.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.